Hello lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? Oh my god, what was that? What's up? Yeah, that sounded more like me. Can children just stop wearing this hairstyle? Cause I really like it, but it makes me look like a giant toddler. All I want is food and attention. Oh, I love it. Why I'm so out of breath? All I did was eat an olive. So in today's video, you know things are about to get serious when I roll the sleeves. In today's video, I'm gonna let my zodiac sign pick what eye makeup I'll be wearing, what lipstick I'll be wearing, what hairstyle I'll be wearing. We're gonna do a little challenge, a little experiment. We're gonna let that zodiac sign take the wheel and see where it takes us. My zodiac sign is Sagittarius. I have no idea what that means. The only thing that I know for sure is that from all the zodiac signs, mine is the one with the most letters. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this makes me feel special. I'm not a huge astrology fan, but I got the idea for this video from Mia Maples. Shout out to her. Today I wanted to do my version of that video with my zodiac sign. I was looking for some makeup zodiac sign charts and I came across this one. Why the Sagittarius is the most colorful of all of them? All the other looks are so elegant, so glam. The Sagittarius one is like, nope, I'm the rainbow. Oh my god, look at this palette with my whole outfit. Like, this palette can be an accessory for my outfit today. Starting off with the pink eyeshadow. If you see in the photo, there is a pink eyeshadow all over the eyelids, so we're following that. We're gonna do today the ultimate Sagittarius look. Now I'm gonna take some of this pink, peachy, beige, very light eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use that to blend the pink one further into my crease. I wish my pink eyeshadow was a little bit more saturated. Oh no, why is it so patchy? Why is my pink eyeshadow disappearing? What's going on? What happened, guys? Pink, where are you, Pink? Oh no, guys, we lost her. We lost Pink. Let's try to save it. This is either going to be a great idea or a huge disaster. I vote for huge disaster. Okay, she's coming back. She's coming back. Welcome back, Pink. Where have you been? I'm adding on top of it some of that powder eyeshadow. Just, I don't know, really trying to make it work here. My eyeshadows hate me today. Why is this longer than this? Oh yeah, I remember. This is how bad decisions look like. We have a problem. We had a problem. Yeah, that's how I fix stuff. Now I'm gonna take this liquid cream eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply some of it under my lower lashes. Hold on, zoom in window. Forgot the zoom in window. Okay, I'm applying this under my lower lashes. And now on top of it, we're definitely not gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna take some of this lilac shade and this is going on top of it. Boom, 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 boom. Adding some very light shade of concealer in the inner corner of my eye, just prepping that area for the blue eyeshadow. Blending it out. And going on top of it with the blue. Wow! Whoa! Ho, ho, ho. I can't really see if she's wearing any eyeliner. I'm just gonna assume that she's not. The image is cropped and I can't really tell what's going on there. From my experience with makeup, it looks like she's not having anything like an eyeliner going on. I'm gonna just apply some mascara. Siri, stop sleeping. What I am...
Go ahead.
Don't interrupt me. What...
I'm sorry.
What am I if I am a Sagittarius? Talk to me. Siri, what am I if I am a Sagittarius? What is English?
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
What am I if I'm a Sagittarius?
Interesting question.
Thanks. How to speak English. Looks like I need to work on my question game. Sagittarius toxic traits.
Here's what I found.
Oh, you found this. You found this. Sagittarius toxic traits. Yes, tell me what they are, and if they're true, I'm gonna blame it all on my zodiac sign. Like all my friends do. You're so irresponsible. Oh, that's because I'm Sagittarius. I was just born like this. The dark side of Sagittarius. Impatient. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Careless. Attention seeking. Ow, this is starting to hurt a little. Brutal. Well, that escalated quickly. Words come in different levels of intensity. Don't you think that brutal is a little bit too high on the scale? I don't know. Sagittarius when being taught to make responsible decisions. Listen, if I don't see my responsibilities, they don't see me too. Life hacks by Denny. Those baby hairs. It looks like I almost have bangs. Nope, just wild baby hairs. Conversations about the weather. Sagittarius. That's my go-to small talk. You know I have nothing fun to say when I start talking about the weather. Well, you now know my little secret. Aries, Leo and Sagittarius attempting to channel their inner calm. Why I stopped meditating and started screaming. They had us in the first half. They lost us with the screaming part. With meditating, they usually tell you that you need a few sessions to get used to it, to feel any results, to not fall asleep while doing it. Every time I try to meditate, I just take a nap. I can't control myself. This is Danny from the future talking. I had some technical difficulties and the next clips that you will see will be from the next day from me. That explains my clothes, my hair, everything is a little bit different. That's because it's the next day for me. I hope this is not too confusing. I love you guys. Hope you enjoy watching. I made myself some coffee. Oh, I thought that the cup was actually matching with the pink on my eyelid, but it's not. I was kind of disappointed. You could definitely see it in my face. There were so many hair charts with different hair colors. I didn't want to take this challenge to that level of challengingness because I can't dye my hair. I can, but I prefer not to. For once, I'm gonna be a smart young adult. So I found this hair chart and look at Sagittarius. I think that I'm gonna be able to do that. I don't want to sound too confident, but I'm gonna try my best. I've actually done this hairstyle before in the past, like 5 years ago or something. So I say, couldn't you be a little bit more gracious? Bobby pin, bobby pin, bobby pin. Are these French braids? Dutch braids? What are these? I can't tell the difference. Why I'm even asking? I have no idea what is this. It says puff and go. When you say puff and go, the only puff that I can think of is this one. Puff and go. Oh my dear God. Oh no. Oh no. I wasn't supposed to shake this. Don't get in my coffee. Did I mention that I hate myself today? Let's try this again. Looks like I've used this before. When did I use it? I don't even remember. So, how do we use that? Okay, so. Wow. Wow. I think that this is something like a dry shampoo or something. Oh no. No. You know what? We're not doing that. So we're gonna start braiding this. My hair feels different kind of sticky. If you want to check if your arms are in shape, braid your hair. You'll very quickly find out. This took me like 3 hours. Alright, okay, nice, awesome. They're uneven. Even better. So we can see that the hair is also curly. I have this. I have too many hair products for someone that doesn't like using hair products. This is Heat Protect Spray. I've never seen Star Wars, but I like their weapons. They're very, I don't know. And now we're curling. We're curling, we're curling, we're curling, we're curling, we're curling, we're curling. Maybe I can fluff my hair a little bit. I've seen people do that. They just pull, you know, different pieces of their hair. It's a lot better when you know what you're doing. Something like this. Okay, hair is done. Ooh, I like it. I like it so much. I like the makeup. I like the hair. I think that everything is suiting me today. That's so nice. Now, the lipstick. Guys, I found a zodiac sign chart for the lips, and let me tell you, we're gonna have some fun. All of the lip colors are really nice, but look what it tells me to wear. Oh my god, this is going to be the first time I'm gonna be wearing a lilac lipstick. Lilac lipstick. I don't even have lilac lipstick. I have a box in my house with old expired makeup, and I'm not throwing it away for very unknown reasons. It's just sitting there. I'm so thankful for that box because I have found my lip combo. These lipsticks, I've had them for over 2 years, maybe even 3. I have a video on my channel where I was unboxing these lipsticks. I posted it on April 12, 2018. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm gonna start off. I am gonna start off with the purple one. Now on top of it, I'm gonna add this pink one. Oh yeah, look at this lipstick with this eye makeup. So fun. Oh, they smell like old Play-Doh.
Flashback.
Let's swatch this. Okay. And it smells good.
End of flashback.
Oh my god, this is getting better and better and better. Okay, now moving to the white one. Look at this white wand. Yeah, look at it good. Because after this, it won't be white anymore. Oh, this is stunning. It was white, now it's lilac. This is actually more of like a lip gloss. I will probably add some face paint, oil-based, just to get it to be a little bit lighter, because the one in the photo is way lighter than this. This is probably one of the most fun looks that I've ever done. So colorful, so nice. Mixture of colors, like oh my god. Oh my god! Guys, I want to know what your zodiac sign is. Let me know down in the comments, write it down, and also try these charts with your zodiac sign and see what's the end result. If you try it out, tag me on Instagram. Oh my god, this is going to be so much fun. So I guess this is the ultimate Sagittarius look. Wow, we're so bold and fun, and we seem like cool people, you guys. I mean, no, we are cool people. I think that it was a huge mistake to Google the toxic traits of a Sagittarius. We're not toxic people. We're not. Here, Sagittarius, adventurous, passionate, optimistic, playful, sensual, easygoing, loyal, creative. That's us. We're cool. We're nice. We're not brutal. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to show your support, just give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. That's the best thing that you can do if you want to support me, my videos, and everything that I do on here. I also have a second channel here on YouTube. You can go and check it out. It's gonna be right here below me. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!